Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Val here. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be a mini unboxing video for you all. And before we get into the video, I would like to advertise slash promote a small business. This week I'm going to be promoting an old friend of mine that I've known since elementary school. Her little polymer clay earring business. I will have her link down below, her Instagram down below, as well as over here. And also I'm going to show you, so she made me these two earrings, which were part of her fall collection. And then she made me this set of earrings right here that I'm wearing. And then she also made these ones with some glitter. And I'll probably be ordering from her again soon for her Christmas collection. But yeah, so I'll just have her link down below at her Instagram and then also right here. So if you want to check out her polymer clay earring business, go ahead and do that. And they're really great products. I love the earrings actually. They feel really light. They look, for being big earrings, they do feel light, which is a good thing. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be showing you that I bought was from Sephora. This isn't the main thing that I'm going to be showing you. There is something else that I'm going to be showing you that isn't which is what I'm more excited about. So I want to show you this stuff that I got from Sephora. Just give me one moment. So I got some skincare stuff from Sephora as well as some beauty stuff from Sephora. So one of the things that I got this is the first thing that I got. This is just my favorite, well, one of my favorite face cleansers. This is the First Aid Beauty face cleanser and I absolutely love this one. It feels nice on my skin and I needed some more, so I bought that. And then I got a little sample of the YSL Pure Shots Light Up Serum. So it's just this little thing, just a little sample size. And then I got some more, or another serum thing. This is also just skincare. This is The Ordinary Niacinamide, 10% plus zinc 1%. This is a high-strength vitamin mineral blemish formula, and this is just for the skin to let's see, regulates sebum, minimizes pores, and that's what this does. So that's why I got that one. And then the last thing that I got was from Rare Beauty, from Selena Gomez's line, just these Rare Beauty mini lipsticks. So this is the mini lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream Duo. Let's see, does it have the shades? I want to see what shades they are. There they are. So this one right here is just a red one, and this is in the shade Inspire. And then this one's more like a mauve one, and this is in the shade Fearless. So I got these two right here. And that's just that. So now let's go ahead and get on to the main unboxing that I've been waiting for so long, probably about 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and show you. So this is from DSW, and I've been waiting for this, or to at least open it, but these are just from DSW, and, oh no, oh well, so I got these. I got some Doc Martens. I have never owned a pair of Doc Martens, and these are just the 1460 black, 1460W black in a size 6 because I have a size 6 foot. So let's go ahead and look at them. One of the shoes fell out of the box. Let's see. here it is. They're just the black ones. I've never owned a pair of Doc Martens. I'm a little worried. I hope I look okay with them. I'm sure I will, but it's just gonna be kind of weird. But I got some Doc Martens. I was looking at the reviews and people say that they're comfortable once you break them in, but it's hard breaking them in. So that's what people say. Let me just try and get the paper out. Okay, so here they are, and it says Airwear with bouncing soles. Okay, so here they are, and then I was watching a video of how you would like break them in. I guess you kind of have to squeeze the shoe. I've never had a pair of these and I'm super excited. Let's see, let's squeeze the shoe. I don't know, should I put my foot in right now? I think we should. Let's go ahead and put my foot in. I've never owned boots like these, like Doc Martens, so I'm kind of like nervous, but they look kind of interesting. I'm not very flexible, but they do look kind of interesting. I don't know. I don't know if I'll keep them or if I'll return them. We'll see. But here's the other one. So this is just the black one, like I said. Size 6, and yeah, so maybe I will get used to them. They just have the yellow stitching right over here, so they have the yellow stitching, which is kind of cute. They smell new, of course they're new, but yeah, so these are just a size 6 Doc Martens that I've never owned before. I got them because I was looking at pictures and I was reading the reviews, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot. I want to not change my style, but like I want to add to my style. So I already like how I dress, but I did want to just add some more, you know, add some more statement pieces, and that's what I've been doing. So yeah, so if you all enjoyed this mini unboxing video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below. It's totally free, and you guys just get to see more of my videos, which is exciting. I will be posting, like I said, every week. And so every Fridays, I think I've said that in other videos, every Fridays I will be posting videos. And also, next month I will be doing Cooking with Vals. Next month, January next month, I will be doing more Cooking with Vals every Wednesdays. And I think my first Cooking with Val, my first Cooking with Val should go up on January 6th. So be prepared for January 6th. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but I have an idea. And yeah, so go ahead and, like I said, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you all have Doc Martens or anything else I should add to my closet. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!